focus. It's like, this is so nice. Oh my god. Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited for this video because it won't be an ordinary video. Today I will be unboxing my new Sony ZV1. I'm so happy, guys. Like, I know for the past few videos you guys have been probably wondering, like, why is she doing her videos like that? But for some reason my camera has been acting up and I wanted to upgrade. I already knew what I wanted and I was waiting for it, and I wanted to buy it at the right moment. So I decided and I got my camera, guys. This will be no long monkey business. It will literally be me unboxing, showing you how crappy this looks, and then showing you how amazing the other camera is. All right, guys, so if this is something you're interested in, sit tight and enjoy. Nevertheless, this is so exciting. So first of all, I am no tech. I'm not a techie person. So this is basically just unboxing and having to know or learning to know how this works. So I actually don't know all the perks. I don't know. I just know it's a very good vlogging camera and I wanted to buy it, and I got it. So why not? Okay, guys. So I bought mine at a local store called Cold Blue. It's a very known Dutch store, and it was pretty fast. I ordered it yesterday, so Friday, June 13th, and Saturday, June 13th, and I received it on Sunday, June 14th. Pretty fast. So let's get to it. I'm so excited. Okay, ¿cómo lo hacemos? This makes me so happy, guys, because I will be able to have quality content for you guys, because who wants to come and see crappy quality, right? Okay, ¿cómo hago esto? Okay, so this is and it's actually made for vloggers. So if you're a vlogger, okay, so what do we start with? What do I start with? And the nice thing about this, why I kind of ordered it, why I bought it, was that it has so I can like vlog myself and I can see myself on the screen. Okay, so it comes with the camera, obviously, the camera. It also comes with oh god, so many papers. So anyways, guys, this is it. It's set up. It's working. Oh my god, this is so nice. I'm so happy, guys. I just love it's like out of focus. It's like Guys, I'm loving it. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments down below if you like this glow up, if you like this upgrade, because I'm doing it for the content, for the love of content. Nevertheless, guys, this is my new Sony ZV1, which I just purchased, received it this morning, well, this afternoon, and I'm very excited to come up with, I'm very excited to create content and quality content. I'm very excited. So this was very short, but yeah, I hope you liked the quality. It's better than my iPhone for sure. So I'm excited.